Living the American dream, doing all that we can. Life is what you make it. Don't be a victim to your own bullshit. Check it out. These are my mini-me's. We got Banty, Pollock, Silkies. And looks like we're finna have a silky Banty. Over here's our me birds. These are our Freedom Rangers. And they doing their thing, man. Hey, stop chasing my roosters, Jenny. You damn rooster chaser. Belly. They might get his love. They might roosters love. Belly, stop eating chicken shenanigans. Whoa, that sounds dangerous. This guy fought off whatever was killing birds. Something took both my ducks. And this guy got injured, lost his eye, and has severe head wounds. He can't see nothing. I don't think he can hear either. But he's making it. Poor guy. Stop! Don't be eating that shit. Literally, leave this shit alone. What's up? What's up? You better not even look at that mother. You did. You better not look. These dogs gonna protect. Y'all supposed to protect my chickens. Y'all gotta keep them safe. Don't look at them like lunch. That ain't your lunch. That is not your lunch. Not right now. Where's Juju at? Juju! He's over here. Junior! What the hell are you eating? You don't eat chicken shit! You chicken shitter! What's up, chickens? Chicken lovers! Those are Betsy meat birds over there. You can see how bigger they are. I'm fit to take all them and throw them in there. As soon as I get rid of the other ones, I'm going to throw them in there. To the meat tractor. The 20 by 10 foot meat tractor. That's what we call it. We love all our birds though, just the same. The only thing is the meat birds, they don't stay with us that long. But these are dual purpose right here. They're a little different than the meat birds. They're going to grow as fast. But yeah, we got some monies. We got every kind of bird in the world. If you see a bird you recognize, call it out. Don't be shameful. Just speak that bird's name. That water looks like that because it has medicine in it. Iron is the one that's turning it the most colors. But yeah, this is our paradise. Chicken now. No, I never taught you to poop. Will you coop? What the hell's for real? Don't step on it, you can eat it.